SDK.finance. Hi, let me show you a short demo case about two files in one reconciliation. To do this, you need to obtain files containing transaction lists from an accountant or another responsible person. Then go to the Reconciliation tab. Click the Upload File button. Select the files you need and upload them. First, select one file and click the Upload button. Then, repeat the process and upload the second file. Ready. Check in the Files tab. To do this, enter the names of the uploaded files in the search field. We see that the file status is parsed, which indicates that the file was successfully processed. Everything is okay. We can start the reconciliation by selecting several files at once. To do this, go to the Reconciliation tab. Select Transaction Reconciliation and click the View Details button. After this, click the Start Reconciliation button. Select two files and set the period for reconciliation. Click the Start Reconciliation button. Done. Now we can view the result. The status of the reconciliation record is warning. Click the View Details button to check it. The specificity of this method is that there can be several files, but there is only one reconciliation record, and it includes mismatches from all files at once, of course, if these mismatches were present. All other actions are no different from the usual reconciliation process.